Hi guys, so I thought I'd do an all programs and options video on Aquatech. So we'll start with cotton. So you can have all options. I don't know if I checked it on this one. So downloaded on this one is sports. So sports allows 40, 30, 20. All spins. Doesn't allow anti-crease. Can't do pre-wash, can't do steam. No, can't do that. Spinning line. Can't change temperature obviously. Be up to 1400. Can't do anti-crease. Can't do pre-wash, can't do steam, cannot do fast, and obviously can't do extra rinse. Rinse only. Obviously I won't allow temperature. No pre-wash, no steam, no fast, no extra rinse, which is a bit stupid, and does allow anti-crease. Dark care, 40, 30, 20, 40, 1200 max, can do pre-wash, can do steam, can do both levels of fast, and you can't turn off extra rinse. Can do anti-crease. Cool clean, cold, 30, 20, cold. Can go all the way up to 1400. Can't do pre-wash, can't do steam, can't do extra rinse, and can't do fast. But can do anti-crease. Steam expert, 60, 40, 30, and then up to 60. All spins are allowed. Can do pre-wash. Can't do extra rinse. Can't do steam. And can do both levels of fast. And doesn't allow anti-crease plus anti-allergy. Go to 90. Doesn't allow a rinse hold, so it doesn't. Can't do pre-wash. Can't deselect steam. Can't deselect extra rinse. And can't do fast. And doesn't allow anti-crease either. duvet, 40, 30, 60, 800 max, can't do pre-wash, can do steam, can do extra rinse, and can't do fast, and can't do anti-crease. Shirts, 60, 40, 30, 24, 60, 800, 600, 800 max, can do pre-wash, can do steam, can do extra rinse, and can do both levels of fast, and you can do anti-crease. So that's basically all the programming options on this. Hopefully that's gave you a bit of more information, and then I'll be downloaded some other time of the other 4 downloaded programs. Sorry about the dryer being on, by the way.